Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about DaVinci Resolve 16. If you don't have this software, you can download a free version of this software from www.blackmagicdesign.com. So let's get started. In here, after you open your Resolve, you can see a project window. Project window shows our recent projects, and here the most important thing is untitled project. If you select untitled project, you can see a new window or new page. This page is a cut page, so we haven't selected any media or pictures like that, so we have to select this media page. Okay, in here you can see our media storages, and here you can see our drag and drop area, and here you can see a preview area. Here audio mixer in metadata captures like that. In here you can see a media pool. If you drag and drop a folder or HDD or flash drive in here, okay, I'll see. Here's my downloads. I select this clip only and drag and drop to this drag and dropping area. What had happened? It seems like that. Downloads, you can see our download folder is in here, but I drag and drop only this selected video clip, but all the folders in downloads, all the folders, all the music clips, all the video clips in downloads are shown in this drag and drop area. Okay, so in the media pool, this is our download file. See current files, or you can hover in everything in this area. Okay, drop down lists such as fonts, guides, all of these files are shown in here. Okay, and here I selected one. Here I drag and drop this video into our media. Here you can see a message. The clip or clips have a different frame rate than the current project settings. Why they are giving this pop-up message? So in here you can see change or don't change. In here the reason is this video's frame rate is larger or medium. Larger or smaller than our project timeline frame rate. Our project timeline frame rate is, let's click change, you can see it here, system preferences. Our timeline frame rate is 23.976, so you can change it here to 16. Okay. Now let's see our videos timeline. In here metadata, the frame rate of our video, you can see here. I have changed the frame rate of our video, but so it shows 23.9.976. so you can add another video also 29.970. both of them are different, but if you select once the previous dialog box, I change the video frame rate, all of three, you can get a same frame rate preview on the timer. This is 29.